Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Before I begin, here are my disclaimers. Today I am going to give you an update about COSCO SHIP DEV interim report. COSCO Shipping Development Co., Limited, offers a diverse range of businesses and services across various sectors. The company's key offerings include container manufacturing and sales, shipping leasing and container leasing, investment management, integrated shipping, logistics, and industry finance services, vessel chartering and financial leasing, container and dry bulk vessel trading management, and insurance brokerage services, trading and property investment services, commercial factoring services, equity or debt investments. The stock price of COSCO SHIP DEV has increased significantly in the past year due to a combination of strong financial performance, major fleet expansion and long-term charters, strategic partnerships, and favorable shipping market conditions. Key factors contributing to this increase include a 76.14% revenue growth and 19.64% earnings increase. For 2024, the announcement of a newbuilding program for 14 vessels with long-term charter agreements, strategic partnerships, such as the agreement with Friboi to build 5 pulp ships and sign long-term transport, contracts favorable shipping market conditions, including high freight rates and continued demand in various segments. These positive developments have likely contributed to upward stock movements and increased investor confidence. The primary drivers of revenue growth or decline can be summarized as follows. Revenue growth is primarily driven by the increase in container sales volume and year-on-year increase in container sales, which rose by 13.61%. The rising container transportation market, improvement in gross profit of sales in the container manufacturing segment, and optimization of inventory management also contributed to revenue growth. Additionally, regions such as Asia, excluding Hong Kong, China and mainland China, Europe, Hong Kong, China, and others experienced significant growth rates of 9%, 137%, 50%, and 553% respectively. On the other hand, revenue decline is primarily driven by the decline in shipping leasing business, which decreased by 10.87%. The decrease in vessel assets under finance lease and year-on-year decline in shipping leasing business scale also contributed to revenue decline. Regions such as United States and mainland China experienced significant declines of 21% and 36% respectively. The company's financial performance indicates a significant improvement in its ability to generate cash from its core operations. According to the provided summary, the company is indeed generating positive operating cash flow, which is a crucial indicator of its financial health and sustainability. This achievement is further confirmed by the specific figure of billion, 285,802,000 on page 18, as stated in the summary. The company's debt level and interest expenses have undergone significant changes over the past year. In terms of debt level, while the total debt has increased from 126,367,138 to 130,288,288, this represents a mere 0.6% change. However, it is worth noting that the total bank and other borrowings at 30 June 2025 have decreased to RMB 75,301,773. Regarding interest expenses, there has been a notable decrease of 16%, from RM 177,594 in 2024 to RM 149,288 in 2025. This reduction in interest expenses is a positive development for the company. The company's financial summary reveals that it has engaged in 2 key shareholder return strategies. Firstly, the company has a history of paying dividends to its shareholders, as evidenced by references on pages 15, 22, and 58. Secondly, the company has also bought back shares from the market, with supporting evidence found on pages 25, 34, and 44. That concludes the financial summary for COSCO SHIP DEV. Feel free to comment below, and I will be happy to answer them when possible.